Regroup with me on ping. Regroup with me on ping.
Ready.
And come northeast. Dismounted and walk up. If we see numbers, let me know. It is.
It's Gatitos. Gatitos is leaving.
What?
Infinity is no debuff.
Look on this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch the spike. Careful for the east. Careful for the east.
This
You're good,
this
you're
gate's
good,
broken.
you're good.
Spike on me. Spike on me. Spike on me. Step up, please.
Spike on
Careful.
add-on.
Watch over the wall. Draco's calling on Perma. He's gonna do some cheeky shit. Comes up east.
Oh my god.
Careful on the gate. Careful on the gate. Look south past the gate deep. 5, 4, 3. Going south with 2 past the gate.
Jump off.
Back from the east. Second north here.
I canceled Draco's,
Finish the guard itself. Just hold. Watch over the tower. Nice quickly. Hold. Step up a little bit. I don't have a hodge, so this will be a little bit rough to get a good engage off, but
there's no way they
They
don't
probably
look at
don't.
me.
I think they're looking over the chest.
yeah, I might counter that then.
A lot of DPS on the east.
Step up west. Step up west. Take space here.
Do you wanna can
Oh
stun
shit.
upstairs?
What'd you say, Google?
I
I'm
can
gonna
stun
look here soon.
upstairs.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait for them to go first. Keep an eye out for where their DPS is standing.
They're on the chest. Draco's on the
Take-
chest. She's gonna look
Yeah,
over the
they're-
wall.
Kill the guards. Kill the guards. And hold your E's. Be ready to counter.
Throw me a
fast.
heal real quick.
Look on this heavy mace southeast. 5, 4, 3, 1 on 7 seconds. Begin. Come northwest. Just cycle far on the wall here.
Am I looking the
They're looking.
Up, not,
Jack, man, Jack.
Step up, step up, step up, step up. Walk into castle, walk into castle, walk into castle. Take big space, take big space. Step up, step up, step up.
Hey, helmet.
Take space, take space, take space. Come south, come south. Holy shit, look on this healer east.
They're
5,
corner east.
4, 3, on 2, 1.
Gatitos
Me
is
up.
the...
Gatitos on the east side.
Southeast.
Okay, cycle here, cycle here, cycle here. Take
They're
over,
one
take
of
over.
Yo, kill the guards while we have space, please.
Yes, kill the guards, kill the guards. I want to
They're getting
flank.
ready for last council.
They brocade, Walker. Walking.
Okay, just kill these guards for now.
I'll hold them.
Watch these, watch these, watch these, watch these.
It's still damage, it's still
It's all
damage.
DPS. It's all
Nice.
DPS.
Wait, come east, come east, come east. Get it east of the wall. Get it east of the wall, get it east of the wall, east of the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East of the wall, east of the wall. Wipe them, wipe them, wipe them.
Oh,
Damn it. Come west, come west, come
I'm gonna
west.
kill these guards inside of you.
Yeah, I'll kill these guys. Kill these guys, kill these guys.
Get them.
We'll gauge on the guards northeast.
yeah,
They're walking
stepping.
up.
Hey, they're stepping in.
On the guards, wait.
No hit,
They're looking
don't
up,
hit.
looking up.
How much?
They better step.
Wait, Jay, them! Bottom stairs! Oh!
No, I can't.
Wait, they just got hit by Draco.
Kill him.
They just got hit by
him.
Draco.
Come northeast over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast, over the wall northeast.
Nice.
Okay, keep finishing these guards, Where's the last guard? Cyclone.
I just killed 3 of
They
them.
have
Side on the west, on the west.
East.
Okay.
Oh, I'm
Get east,
so overweight.
Come east,
Oh,
get
fuck.
you northeast over the wall. Get you northeast over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East over the wall, east over the wall, east over the wall, east over the wall.
Hold
So
on,
close.
on that side.
1 HP, oh, he died.
Nice, nice.
I have no jacket for you guys.
Cyclone me when we can. And we're gonna finish these guards.
Yo, I need a trade.
My E wasn't up.
Oh.
Is anything come back?
Yo,
Come look, there's a
come
couple guards.
come loot, check.
Bro, a lot of
Yeah, go with the bodies, finish this guard. I'm just
No,
gonna
just
go
take it,
closer.
be a man. Gotta transfer the credits.
Did you clip that one? Because I
Yeah,
can't
I
record
did.
for some reason.